Have you ever wondered that nature could be the secret to crystal clear water in your homes? Can plants and stones really turn contaminated water into a pristine source of life? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Clean Hydration. Today in this video we will discuss the natural water purification methods using plants and stones. This method uses natural processes and provides an eco-friendly option instead of using chemicals. Water purification is essential for ensuring safe, clean drinking water. Traditionally, this has been achieved through chemical treatments and mechanical filtering. However, there is a growing interest in natural purification methods that utilize sustainable materials like plants and stones. These methods not only purify water, but also contribute to ecological balance. This section will introduce some of the most effective natural materials used in water purification, highlighting their importance in modern environmental practices. Natural purification with plants. Natural water purification methods that utilize plants are both environmentally sustainable and effective. Plants purify water through a variety of biological, chemical, and physical processes, making them indispensable in ecological wastewater treatment systems. This section explores the types of plants typically used for water purification, the mechanisms by which they clean water, and provides examples of effective plant-based purification systems. Types of plants used in water purification. Number 1. Wetland plants. Wetland plants such as cattails, bulrushes, and reeds are particularly effective in purifying water. These plants thrive in water-saturated conditions and are capable of absorbing pollutants directly through their roots. They also support a range of microbial life, which contributes to the degradation of contaminants. Number 2. Floating plant. Plants like water hyacinths and duckweed lie on the surface of water bodies. They are highly efficient at absorbing nutrients and can reduce the proliferation of algae by limiting sunlight penetration. Their rapid growth rate makes them excellent at controlling water quality in large bodies of water. Number 3. Root zone plants. These are used in constructed wetlands designed specifically for wastewater treatment. Root zone plants, such as willows and bamboos, have extensive root systems that filter and degrade pollutants from the water as it passes through their root zone. Mechanisms of how plants purify water. Absorption. Plants absorb various contaminants, including metals and nitrates, through their roots. This process helps in removing harmful substances from the water. Accumulation. Certain plants can accumulate heavy metals in their tissues, effectively removing these toxic elements from water systems. Degradation. Microorganisms that live in symbiosis with plant roots can degrade organic pollutants into less harmful compounds. Oxygenation. Through photosynthesis, aquatic plants release oxygen into the water, enhancing the breakdown of organic materials by aerobic bacteria. Examples of effective plant-based purification systems. Constructed wetlands. These are engineered systems that mimic natural wetlands properties. They are used globally for the treatment of domestic sewage, urban runoff, and industrial wastewater. For instance, the East Kolkata wetlands in India naturally treat the wastewater of nearly 1 million people using only biological and physical processes facilitated by plants. Floating treatment. Wetlands. Innovative setups like floating treatment wetlands leverage floating mats that support plant growth. These are used in ponds and lakes to purify water by removing excess nutrients and heavy metal. An example is the floating islands in the Amstel River in Amsterdam, which improve water quality and promote biodiversity. Phytoremediation sites. Specific sites where plants like sunflowers and mustard plants are used to remove or stabilize contaminants in polluted sites, including water bodies affected by industrial runoff or agricultural pollutants. The use of plants in water purification not only supports sustainable water management, but also enhances the ecological dynamics of the environment, promoting biodiversity and restoring natural habitat. The integration of such systems into urban and rural water management strategies can provide significant benefits in terms of cost, effectiveness, and environmental impact. Using stones and minerals for water purification. Stones and minerals offer a natural and often overlooked means of water purification that can be both effective and sustainable. These materials function through various chemical and physical processes to cleanse water, making them essential components in many traditional and modern filtration systems. This section will discuss the types of stones and minerals used in water purification, detail their specific purification mechanisms, and provide examples of their application in real-world scenarios. Types of stones and minerals that can purify water. Number 1. Zeolites. Zeolites are microporous, aluminosilicate minerals known for their ability to undergo ion exchange. They are highly effective in removing contaminants like heavy metals, ammonia, and other nitrogenous compounds from water. Number 2. Sand and gravel. Commonly used in both community-based and industrial-scale filtration systems, sand and gravel layers serve as mechanical filters to remove particulate matter from water. The size and type of grain can be adjusted depending on the specific impurities and the desired clarity of the water. Number 3, activated charcoal, also known as activated carbon. This material is produced from carbonaceous source materials, such as coconut shells or coal, and is treated to have a small, low-volume pore structure. These pores increase the surface area available for adsorption or chemical reactions, trapping contaminants chemically rather than just physically. Number 4, clay. Certain types of clay, especially those with a high bentonite content, can be used to remove toxins. Their fine particulate nature allows them to bind with heavy metals and pesticides, pulling them out of the water. Number 5, limestone. Often used to neutralize acidic water, limestone can also contribute to the precipitation and sedimentation of certain other contaminants. How stones and minerals cleanse water chemically and physically. Adsorption. Activated charcoal and zeolites operate primarily through adsorption, attracting and holding certain chemicals at their surface. Ion exchange. Minerals like zeolites exchange one ion at their surface for another in the water, effectively removing harmful contaminants and replacing them with benign ones. Filtration. Sand and gravel, with their various sizes and densities, physically filter out particles, while clay can trap smaller micron-sized particles due to its fine particulate nature. Chemical reaction. Limestone can induce chemical reactions, such as the neutralization of acidity in water, which also helps in precipitating and settling out some dissolved pollutants. Case studies or examples where stones have been used effectively. Community sand filters. In many rural areas across the globe, community sand filters are used to provide clean drinking water. These simple yet effective systems use layers of sand and gravel to remove pathogens and sediment from water sources. Household charcoal filters. Many household water filtration systems incorporate activated charcoal to remove chlorine, taste, and odor from tap water, providing safer and more palatable drinking water. Zeolite in aquariums. Zeolites are commonly used in aquarium filters to remove ammonia, which is toxic to fish, demonstrating their effectiveness in controlled environments. Clay pots for water purification. In some regions, locals use clay pots imbued with colloidal silver, which not only filters but also disinfects water, showcasing an ancient technique with modern applications. Stones and minerals provide a versatile and effective method for water purification, serving functions from basic filtration to complex chemical reactions. Integrating these materials into water purification systems can enhance water quality and sustainability, especially in areas without access to advanced technological solutions. Their natural origin and capacity for reuse or recycling also contribute to their appeal in sustainable water management practices, combining plants and stones for enhanced purification. Integrating both plants and stones in a single water purification system can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the treatment process. This holistic approach not only leverages the individual strengths of each material, but also fosters synergistic interactions that improve overall water quality. This section explores the benefits of combining plants and stones for water purification and offers practical tips for setting up such systems. Benefits of integrating plants and stones. Number 1. Enhanced filtration and adsorption. Plants and stones complement each other's purification capabilities. While plants can uptake certain nutrients and contaminants through biological processes, stones like sand, gravel, and activated charcoal provide physical and chemical filtration, ensuring a broader spectrum of contaminants are removed from the water. Number 2, increased biodiversity. Integrating plants in systems that include stones can enhance biological diversity, creating a more resilient ecosystem. Plants introduce oxygen and support microbial populations, which are crucial for the biodegradation of organic pollutants. Number 3, sustainability and aesthetics. Combining natural elements like plants and stones not only improves water quality, but also enhances the aesthetic value of the purification system. This can be particularly beneficial in urban environments where such systems double as green spaces, promoting urban biodiversity and providing community green areas. Design considerations for combining wetland plants with stones. Layering. Effective water purification systems often involve layering different materials. A base layer of gravel can provide good drainage, followed by a layer of sand for fine filtration. Activated charcoal can be included for its adsorption properties, with soil layers above supporting plant growth. Plant selection. Choose plants based on the specific contaminants present in the water and the climate of the area. For instance, water hyacinths are excellent for nutrient-rich waters, while cattails can be effective in areas with heavy metals. Maintenance. While combining plants and stones can reduce overall maintenance compared to more technologically complex systems, regular checks are necessary to ensure plants are healthy and the stone layers are not clogged with debris. Practical tips for setting up a combined purification system. Number 1. Start small. For those new to natural water purification, starting with a small, simple system can help in understanding the interactions between different materials and plants. Number 2. Use local material. Utilizing local stones and native plants not only reduces costs, but also increases the ecological compatibility of the purification system with the local environment. Number 3. Regular monitoring. Regularly monitor the system to assess water quality and plant health, making adjustments as necessary. This might include replacing spent materials like charcoal or pruning and managing the plant growth. Number 4. Community involvement. In community settings, involving local residents in the setup and maintenance of the system can foster a sense of ownership and responsibility, ensuring the system's longevity and effectiveness. Combining plants and stones for water purification is a promising approach that can lead to more sustainable and efficient water management practices. This integrated system not only cleans water effectively, but also contributes to ecological balance, making it a viable option for both rural and urban settings. By understanding and implementing these combined systems, communities can enhance their water quality while promoting environmental sustainability. The exploration of natural water purification methods using plants and stones reveals a compelling approach to managing water quality in an eco-friendly and sustainable manner. These methods harness the intrinsic properties of natural materials to create systems that are not only effective at removing a wide range of contaminants, but also contribute positively to the ecological balance. Using plants for water purification takes advantage of their natural absorption, accumulation, and degradation abilities, which are enhanced by the presence of beneficial microbes. This biological process not only cleans water, but also transforms contaminated environments into thriving ecosystems. On the other hand, stones and minerals like zeolites, sand, gravel, and activated charcoal provide robust physical and chemical filtration mechanisms. These materials efficiently trap particles, remove toxins, and even correct water pH, making them indispensable in comprehensive water purification systems. When combined, plants and stones form a synergistic purification system that maximizes the strengths of both biological and mechanical filtering methods. This integration not only increases the efficiency of the purification process, but also promotes biodiversity, enhances the aesthetic value of the environment, and improves the sustainability of water resources management. Such systems can be tailored to various scales, from small household setups to large community projects, making them versatile solutions for diverse settings. Encouraging the adoption of these natural purification methods can lead to significant environmental benefits, including reduced reliance on chemical treatments and decreased water pollution. As communities around the world become more conscious of environmental issues and seek sustainable solutions, these natural purification systems stand out as practical, effective, and ecologically responsible choices for ensuring clean water and healthier ecosystems. Therefore, embracing and promoting these methods can play a crucial role in global efforts towards sustainable water management and environmental conservation. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.